Students, will continue with exercise 7.6. In this, what you are going to do, so you are going to add or subtract the fractions with different denominators. So these fractions are not like fractions. In that case, you need to take the LCM to make the denominator equal, then you can add. So I told you the condition for the fractions to add is we need to make the denominator equal. So first thing, so 2 by 3 and 1 by 7. So since 3 and 7 are co-prime because they don't have any common factor, so LCM of 3 and 7 will be LCM of 3 and 7 is 3 into 7, which is equal to 21. Why? Because they are co-prime. So since 21 is the LCM, so since 21 is the LCM, so what we can do now, see, to make it 21, I need to multiply 3 7s are 25. Close 3, I need to multiply numerator and denominator by 21. That is 2 into 7 divided by 3 into 7 plus 7 is there. If I close, to make it 21, I need to multiply by 3. So 7 3s are, so 1 into 3, 7 into 3. Next, 2 7s are 14 plus 21 plus 3 by 21. So what is the same? 21 is the 21 same in the denominator. We'll keep it as it is. Add the numerator as it is. 14 plus 3, which is equal to 17 divided by 21. Here, same thing we need to do. Again 7, since the denominator we will go for B. 3 by 10, 7 by 15. 3 by 10 plus 7 by 15. So 10 and 15, they have common factors. We'll go for LCM. How we'll find the LCM? So first we'll start with the small prime number. The smallest prime number is, so the smallest prime number should divide both the numbers. So 2, we can't divide 2. 2, see, since the number is not ending with the even digit, we can't go ahead with 2. 1 plus 0 is not equal to the multiple of 3. Again, we can't go there. So 5 multiples. Next prime number is 5. 5 2s are, 5 3s are. Okay. Now 2 and 3 are co-prime. We can stop at that point. So LCM of 10 and 15 is equal to 5 into 2 into 3. 5 into 2 into 3. 5 2s are 10. 10 3s are 30. 30 is the LCM. Or else one more method what we can do. See, go to the bigger number 15. Next multiple is 30. 15 next multiple is 30. Is 10 is a factor of 30? Yes. Then that is in that case 30 will be the LCM. Understood? So that we have learnt it in the third chapter, that is playing with numbers. So 10 is there. So 30 is the LCM. So to make 10 30, so 5 2s are 10. This combination will give me 10. What is left? 3. 3 3s are 9 plus. Which combination? 5 and 3 combination will give me 15. What is left? 2. You need to multiply with 2. 7 2s are 14. Here you multiplied with 3. Here you multiplied with 2. Okay. 14 plus 9, 23 divided by 30. Next, I. 3 4 2. So first calculate the LCM. 3 4 2. First you start with, so at least 2 numbers should be divisible by a particular prime number. So 4 and 2 are 2 multiples. We can go ahead. 2 3 2 2s are 2 1s are. Since 3 and 2 are co-prime, we can stop at that particular point. So LCM of 3, 4 and 2. 3, 4 and 2 is equal to 2 into 3 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So what is the LCM? 12 is the LCM. So what we can have here? 12 in the denominator. From 3, how can we get the 12? So if you close the 3, what is left here? 4. 2 2s are 4. We need to multiply by 4. 4 is there. How can this 2 into 2 will give me 4? What is left? 3 is left. So you need to multiply by 3. So what is there? 2. So if you close 1 to what is left? 6. So 2 6 are 12. So 2 4 are 8. 3 3 are 9. 1 6 are 6. Understood? So 12, keep it as it is. See, you can do in this method or you can do it this method. So if you are going by this method, see what I am doing, I am skipping this method. This is actually not required. To make you understand, I have written one more extra step. So this extra step I have written because to make you understand. Already you understood here. So directly I will go here to make it 30. What I need to do? 10 3s are 30. So this combination will give me 10. What is left? That I need to multiply and get the answer. So same thing here. 8 plus 9, 17, 17 plus 6, 23. 23 by 12. Next. See if it is a improper fraction, we should bring it to the mixed fraction. So 12 ones are 12, 11 left, 12. You know, I think already you know how to convert improper to mixed fraction. 12 ones are 12. 23 minus 12 will give me 11. That I need to write in the numerator. 12 ones are 12. 12 ones are 12. Okay. So we should go near this 23. 12 ones are 12. 12 2 is 24, which is more than 23. So we should not exceed 23. We should tell the table in such a way that we should go near 23. 12 ones are 12. 12 2 is 24, which exceeds 23. That is the reason 12 ones are 12. 23 minus 12, we should write in the numerator, that is 111 by 12. Next. So mixed fraction, how we can add mixed fraction? See, this can represent 4 plus 2 by 3. So we are separating whole part and fraction part. So plus whole part separate out, 1 divided by 4. 4 plus 3, 7. Next, 4 plus 3, 7. 2 by 3 plus 1 by 4. Since 7 plus 7, keep it as it is. 3 and 4 are co-prime, then what is the LCM? 12 is the LCM. So LCM of 3 and 4 is equal to 3 into 4 because they are co-prime. So 3 is there. To get 12, I need to multiply it with 4. 4 is there. To get 12, I need to multiply it with 3. 2 4s are 8. 1 3s are 3. 7 plus 11 by 12, or else we can write it as 7 11 divided by 12. Understood? Next, subtraction is very much similar to the previous one. So 3 and 2 is there in the denominator. So take the LCM. Since 3 and 2 are co-prime, so product of the number will give you the LCM because they don't have a common factor. So these two are co-prime. 3 2s are 6. To make it 6, I need to multiply it with 2. To make it 6, 2 3s are, I need to multiply with 3. 4 2s are 8. Minus 1 3s are 3. 5 by 6. This is the answer. Which are the problems I left in between? That will be your homework. So please note this down. Second main question. Sarita bought 2 by 5 meter of ribbon and Dalita 3 by 4 meter of ribbon. What is the total length of the ribbon they bought together? Okay. So the fraction part of ribbon bought by, what should be your statement? So if we add these two, you will get the total length. Okay. The fraction part of ribbon bought by whom? By Sarita is equal to 2 by 5 meter. And same the fraction part of ribbon bought by whom? Bought by Lalita is equal to how much? 3 divided by 4 meter, 3/4 meter. So total length of the ribbon bought, total length of the ribbon bought is equal to, see, it's like you have 4 pencil, you bought 4 pencil and your friend bought 5 pencil. What is the total pencil both of you have together? How will you get it? 5 plus 4, that will give you 9. Here also one is 2 by 5, other is 3 by 4. If we add them, you will get the total. So that is 2 by 5 plus 3 by 4. 5 and 4 are co-prime. So directly I can take the LCM as 20. 5 4s are 20. I need to multiply it 4. 4 5s are 20. I need to multiply with 5. 2 4s are 8. 3 5s are 15. 8 plus 15 is 23 divided by 20, or else 21 is 20. Here you can write 23 minus 20 divided by 20, which is equal to 1 3 by 20. Your final answer is 1 3 by 20. So 1 3 by 20 meters. So the total length of ribbon bought is equal to 1 3 by 20 meters. So please note this down. Third question, which is very much similar to the previous question. Naina was given 1 by 2 piece of cake and Najma was given 1 by 3 piece of cake. Find the total amount of cake was given to both of them. The part of cake given to whom? First person, which is that person? Naina, is equal to how much? 1 by 2. Then the part of cake given to Najma, the part of cake given to whom? Najma, is equal to how much? 1 by 3. So what is the question? Total amount of cake was given to both of them. So therefore the total amount of cake given to both of them is equal to what? 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3. We need to add them, that's it. So what you are going to do? Separate whole part and fraction part. 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 plus 1 by 3. So next 1 plus 1, 2. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3. What we did? We have separated the whole part and fraction part separate. So then we have added. Next. So 2 as it is. 2 and 3 are co-prime. What is the LCM? 6. 2 3s are 6, multiply it with 3. 3 2s are 6, multiply it with 2. 3 2. 1 3 is a 3, 2 1s are 2. 2 plus 5 divided by 6, then 2 5 by 6. Because since it was given to us 1 by 2 was a mixed fraction, so we need to separate them. We have separated it and we have arrived at the answer. Therefore, the total amount of cake given to both of them is equal to 2 5 by 6. Please note this down. Fill in the boxes. So A dash minus 5 by 8 is equal to 1 by 4, and I have taken C. B will be a homework. 1 by 2 minus box is equal to 1 by 6. So what should come in the box? We should write. So I need box. I'll keep it as it is. Fine. This minus 5, I want this box separately. I'll keep it as it is. I'll transfer this minus 5 8 by 8 to the right hand side. If I transfer the number from left hand side to the right hand side, minus will become plus and plus will become minus. What is there here? Minus is there. If I move to the right hand side, what it will become? It will become plus. So that one I am going to do. 1 by 4 as it is. I am transferring this to the right hand side. Then it will become 5 by 8 plus 5 by 8. So we need to take the LCM 4 and 8. Since 8 is a multiple of 4, 8 will be the LCM. You have studied this in the chapter 4. So 4 is a factor of 8. So then LCM of 4 and 8 will be 8 only. So 4 2s are 8. 8 1s are 8. So 1 2s are 2 plus 5 1s are 5. So answer, what should come in the box? 7 by 8 should come in the box. Next here. I want this box and I need positive value for that box. What should I do? I should move to the right hand side. So this 1 by 6 I should bring to the left hand side. Then I'll keep 1 by 2 as it is. If I bring plus 1 by 6 to the left hand side, it will become minus 1 by 6. Minus box, if you move to the right hand side, it will become plus box. Keep as it is. 2 and 6, 6 is a multiple of 2 or 2 is a factor of 6, then 6 is the LCM. Keep 6 as it is. 2 3s are 6, 6 1s are 6. So 1 3s are 3, minus 1 1s are 1, which is equal to 3 minus 1 is nothing but 2 by 6. 2 1s are 2 3s are, which is equal to box. So 2 by 6 was there, right? 2 1s are 2 3s are. So 1 by 3. So 1 by 3 should come in the box. Or else box, what should be there? 1 by 3 should be there. 2 by 6 was there. We brought it to the simplest form. That's it. Understood? So please note this down. So next question. Complete the addition subtraction box. See, if you go in the right direction, you need to add. If you come down in the downward direction, you need to subtract. See, if I'm traveling in the right direction, rightward direction, what I need to do? I need to add 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3, which is equal to, since 2 and 3 are co-prime, 2 3 is 6, 6 is the LCM, 2 into 3, 3 into 2, fine. 1 3 is 3 plus 2 1s are 2. The answer is 5 by 6. Here what should come? 5 by 6. Next, I am traveling the rightward direction. 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4. Since 3 and 4 are co-prime, what is the LCM? 3 4s are 12. 3 into 4, that is into 4. 4 into 3, that is 3, multiply by 3. 1 4s are 4, 1 3s are 3. 4 plus 3, 7 divided by 12 is the answer. So what should come here? 7 by 12. Okay, next. What we need to do here? 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3. 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3. Again, 2 and 3 are co-prime. So what we need to do? 6 is the LCM. What is the LCM? 6 is the LCM. 2 into 3. 3 into 2. 1 3s are 3, minus 2 1s are 2. 3 minus 2, 1. 1 divided by 6. So what should come here? 1 by 6. Next. 1 by 3, 1 by 4. Traveling the downward direction, what you need to do? You need to subtract. So 1 by 3 minus 1 by 4. Fine. 3 and 4 are there. What would be the LCM? Since they are co-prime, their product will be the LCM. 3 4s are 12. 3 into 4, 12. 4 into 3, 12. 1 4s are 4, minus 3 1s are 3. 4 minus 3, 1. 1 divided by 12. Next. Either if you go in this way, you need to add. So we can go in this way. 1 by 6 plus 1 by 12. 6 and 12. So 12 is the multiple of 6. So 12 is the LCM, or 6 is the factor of 12. 12 is the LCM. 6 2s are 12. 12 1s are 12. So 2 plus 1, which is equal to 3 divided by 12, or else which is equal to 3 1s are 3 4s. So 1 divided by 4. 1 divided by 4. Or else, so even if you subtract this, you should get 1 by 4. Shall we verify? We will verify. 5 by 6. Since you are traveling in the downward direction, what you need to do? You need to subtract. 5 by 6 minus 7 divided by 12. Since 6 and 12, 12 is the multiple of 6, or 6 is a factor, 12 will be the LCM. 6 2s are 12. 12 1s are 12. 5 2s are 10 minus 7 1s are 7. 10 minus 7, 3 divided by 12. We should bring it to the simplest form. 3 1s are 3 4s. So we got 1 by 4. So our answer is satisfied. So please note this down. You should do the same thing for A. A is very easy. You need not take LCM or anything. Directly you can add or subtract. So please note this down. So sixth question, we will continue with exercise 7.6. In that sixth question, a piece of wire 7 by 8 meter long broke into two pieces. One piece was 1 by 4 meter long. How long is the other piece? See, they have given the full length of the wire, and that is broken into two parts. In that, one part is 1 by 4, other part we need to get. So if you subtract 1 by 4 from 7 by 8, you will get the other part. See, the total length of the wire. Length of the wire is equal to 7 by 8 meter. So length of the one of the broken piece, one of the broken piece is equal to 1 by 4 meter. Therefore, the length of the other piece, the length of the other piece of wire, length of other piece of wire is equal to 7 by 8 minus 1 by 4. 8 and 4, 8 is the multiple of 4, then 8 is the LCM. 8 is the LCM. 8 1s are 8, 4 2s are 8. 7 1s are 7 minus 2 1s are 2, which is equal to 5 by 8 meter. So the length of the other piece of the wire is equal to 5 by 8 meter. So please note this down. So seventh question, Nandini's house is 9 by 10 kilometer from her school. She walked some distance and took a bus for half kilometer to reach the school. How far did she walk? See, suppose if this is your home, and this is your school, if this is your school, so suppose that the distance between home and the school is 9 kilometer. You started from your home, and after reaching certain distance, from here you took an auto, so which is 4 kilometer. Okay. Now from here to here you walked some kilometer. Okay. And from here to here you took an auto and you went by auto, reach the school, which is 4 kilometer. The total distance is 9 kilometer. By auto you traveled 4 kilometer. What about this? So 9 minus 4, 5 kilometer, right? So the question is very much similar to this one. What is that? So the distance from The home to the school is 9 by 10 kilometer. Half kilometer she traveled by auto. Other part she traveled by walk. So 9 by 10 minus 1 by 2 will give us the distance she has traveled. Okay. Now, so distance between so we'll take this I had given the example. So total distance is 9 by 10 kilometer. So the distance she traveled by auto is 1 by 2 kilometer. Then what about this? This is 9 by 10 minus 1 by 2. Okay. Distance between home and distance between Nandini's house and school is equal to how much? 9 by 10 kilometer. Fine. The distance traveled by auto, the distance traveled by bus, distance traveled by Nandini by auto is equal to 1 by 2 kilometer. Therefore, the distance traveled by Nandini by walk is equal to 9 by 10 minus 1 by 2. Very much similar to this one. Okay. So 10 is 2 multiple. So 10 will be the LCM. 10 ones are 10. 2 fives are 10. So 9 ones are 9 minus 1 fives are 5, which is equal to 4 by 10, which is equal to 2 ones are 2 twos are 2 fives are. So 2 by 5 kilometer she traveled by she went by walk. So please note this down. Eighth is very much similar to the ninth question. Ninth is quite difficult compared to eighth one. I am going to solve ninth for you. Eighth you are going to solve it. Next, see ninth question. Jaydev takes 1 by 5 minutes to walk across the school ground. Rahul takes 7 by 4 minutes to do the same. Who takes less time and by what fraction? See, to compare any fractions, what is the basic criteria? So we need to have a denominator same or numerator same. So we can't make the numerator equal, we can make the denominator equal. So after making the denominator equal, we'll compare. Then by what fraction we'll take a less time, then we'll see it later. Okay. Now first, time taken by Jaydev is equal to 1 by 5 minutes, which is equal to 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 1 11 by 5, 11 by 5 minutes. Next, time taken by Rahul is equal to 7 by 4 minutes. Now we will compare. This side I will write Jaydev, here I will write Rahul. Okay, 11 by 5, 7 by 4. So 5 and 4 is there. 5 and 4 are co-prime. To make the denominator, I should take the LCM. So 5 and 4 are co-prime, then their product will be the LCM. So to make it 20, I need to multiply by 4. So multiply numerator and denominator by 4. 11 into 4, 5 into 4. To make the denominator 20, I need to multiply the denominator by 5. 4 5s are 20. Multiply numerator and denominator by 5. 7 into 5, 4 into 5. Okay. 44 divided by 20, 35 divided by 20. So who takes less time? Rahul takes less time. Therefore, Rahul takes, see 44 by 20 and 35 by 20. Obviously, numerator, since denominator is same, if the numerator is lesser, then their value will be lesser. So, Rahul takes less time. Next part of the question. Rahul takes less time by so do it. 44 by 20 minus 35 by 20, or else 35 by 20 minus 44 by 20. Since the denominator is same, keep 20 as it is. Subtract the numerator, 35 minus 44. 35 minus 44 is nothing but minus 9 by 20. So minus indicates less time. So Rahul takes less time by minus 9 by 20 minutes. So by what fraction is minus 9 by 20 minutes. Rahul takes less time by minus 9 by 20 minutes. Minus indicates that is the less time taken by the Rahul. Okay, please note this down. So 8th question is very much similar to the 9th question. You can do it on your own. That will be a homework. This concludes your fraction chapter. Okay, thank you.